Hey there, I just bought myself a 1985 Suzuki Samurai tin top version. I'm pretty excited about it. I just bought it actually I think 3 weeks ago after I lost my job. So I have so much free time now and I thought that it'd be kind of cool to do a custom restoration series on it. It's gonna be quite the project. But I'm excited about it, and so I figured I'd take you along the journey with me. This is going to be quite the learning curve for me because I have never restored a car before, but I'm pretty hands-on, so I think I'll be okay. So today I'm going to start taking off the front bumper, a piece of the front bumper. There's this big ugly plate there. That's super heavy, and then I'm gonna take off the back bumper, which is super heavy and ugly, and so let's just get into it.